Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so we will talking about the properties of concrete today. It's a short lecture, but an important one specifically for site engineers. So you need to have your notebook and pen with you and write the values that I'm going to write for you people. These are important points. Whenever you will be going for civil engineering interviews or you're working as a site engineer, these will help you. So today's topic is about the types of concrete and the required water cement ratio or the required water quantity per bag of that concrete. Okay, so basically there are three types of concrete. Okay, the number first is ordinary concrete. Okay, so ordinary concrete is from M10 to M20. Okay, M10 to M20. Okay, which means the concrete from 10 Newton per millimeter square strength to 20 Newton per millimeter square. The second one is standard concrete. Okay, so standard concrete is from M25 to M35, and then comes the third one, the high strength concrete. Okay, so high strength concrete is from M60 to M80. Okay, so these are basic types of concrete that we use in our normal construction, or specifically this high strength concrete and bridge engineering, or somewhere we do need high strength concrete. These are actually specially designed concrete, or their mix design is specific, and we design this like normal ratios of 1:4 or 1:5 or whatever that is. Those ratios cannot be used for this concrete. So this is the special type of concrete. These types are special, and these are specially designed. Okay, now what is the water required for these different types of concrete? I will be talking about that actually, that what is the concrete water required for one bag of cement when we are preparing M10 or M20 or M35 or whatever it is. So let's talk about that. Now the water required, as I said, these are specially designed concrete. So we will be talking about the water requirement of the ordinary concrete and the standard concrete. Okay, so the point number first, this is actually not M10, this is you can say M5. Okay, but this is not normally used. This is PCC, which we do not consider in our construction works. Okay, so the number first is M5, where the strength is 5 Newton per millimeter square, and the quantity of water required per bag of cement is 60 liters per bag. You must keep this thing in your mind, that one bag of cement is equal to 50 kg. Okay, I am talking about the 50 kg bag, which is the standard bag that we do use in our construction processes normally in our construction works. Now the second value is for M10, which is 10 Newton per millimeter square. This is the strength of this concrete, and the water required is 45 liter per bag of cement. Have you noticed one thing, that with the increase in strength, the water capacity or the water required decreased? Here it is 45, here it is 60, while the strength here is 5 and the strength here is 10 Newton per millimeter square. So one more thing is very much clear, that water quantity is inversely proportional to strength. Okay, as as the strength increases, the water capacity of any concrete or the water required for any concrete decreases. Okay, now the third concrete is 15, where the strength is 15 Newton per millimeter square and the water required is 32 liters per bag. The number fourth is M20. Okay, and the strength here is 20 Newton per millimeter square and water required is 30 liter per bag. The value number 5 is M25, where the strength is 25 Newton per millimeter square and the water required is 25 liters per bag. Okay, number 6 is M30, where the strength is 30 Newton per millimeter square and the water required is 21 liters per bag. So these were some of the basic values of concrete. These were the basic types of concrete and these were the different values of water required for different types of concrete that you will have to apply in your construction sites whenever you are doing any type of construction. Okay, these are the minimum required values of water required, or you can say this is the average value. So this was the today's lecture about the properties of concrete. Hope you would have learned something, and inshallah we'll be talking about any other important topic in our upcoming video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.